Pelican Air 1615 case. 40% lighter, 100% tougher. Travel like a legend, drop it like it's hot. Tired of cases that crack under pressure faster than cheap sunglasses? Meet the Pelican Air 1615, the heavyweight champion of protection that's somehow lighter than your laptop bag. Crafted with Pelican's insane HPX polymer, this beast is up to 40% lighter than old-school hard cases but still delivers a Mike Tyson-level punch against crushes, floods, and dust storms. Need to haul camera gear, diving rigs, or top-secret gadgets? No foam means you get the ultimate blank canvas to boss up your storage game without deadweight dragging you down. Why settle for meh when you can roll like royalty? The Pelican Air 1615 has press and pull latches so slick they might make James Bond jealous. IP67 certified, military specification tough, and TSA lock ready, this case travels smoother than a private jet. Its watertight O-ring seal laughs in the face of monsoons, and the automatic pressure valve means no sad suitcase implosions mid-flight. Oh, and did we mention the quiet stainless steel wheels and retractable handle that make airport runs feel like you're gliding on butter? Saving your gear equals saving your money. Think about it. One busted drone or shattered lens equals hundreds, or thousands, down the drain. With the Pelican Air 1615, you're not buying a box, you're investing in a 20-year gear insurance plan, without the monthly premiums. Its uncrushable armor and military-grade durability are the kind of one-and-done purchase that smart adventurers swear by. Real talk. This case could survive a zombie apocalypse and still look good doing it. Affordable? For what you get. Absolutely bonkers, yes. You're locking down legendary Pelican quality, built in the USA, trusted by first responders, divers, and hardcore travelers since the disco era. Compared to generic cases that ghost you after one rough trip, the Pelican Air 1615 stays loyal for decades. If you're tired of fragile gear bags that age like spoiled milk, it's time to level up to serious protection at a price that's a straight-up flex. If your adventures are bold, your gear precious, and your patience for repairs non-existent, you need the Pelican Air 1615. It's tech-tested, thrill-seeker approved, and ready to roll with you into wild places. Protect your hustle, flex your style, and give your precious cargo the bodyguard it deserves. One case to end all cases. One move left, grab it before your next adventure calls.